Hello Scorpio and welcome to Are You Ready Tarot. Today I'll be doing a what you need to know message for all Scorpio placements. We're going to get straight into your message and see what you need to know at this time. Can I get a clear message for Scorpio? We have blessings. Clear message for the sign of Scorpio, Heavenly Father. We have real estate. We have overload. What else do Scorpio need to know? Clear message for the sign of Scorpio, Heavenly Father. We have blind and live and learn. Okay, so Scorpio, what I'm getting is you have received some kind of wish fulfillment. You could be buying a house, you could be selling your house. Some kind of investment that brought forth some kind of financial profit, financial growth. But something it brought forth some, if you sold your house, it brought some financial growth, stability. But what I'm getting, if you bought a house, it may be some problems within the structure of the home that is becoming overwhelming to you. Overwhelming. It's giving me the that you didn't read all of the paperwork is what I'm getting. Like you missed something in the fine print when it came to it. Like this house is like your dream home, your blessing, but well, your dream home, something that you know really desired, really wanted, but something about this house is overwhelming. I'm hearing structural damage, something that you couldn't see with the naked eye, but it was in the fine, in the fine print of the contract, the documents that you signed. But you're taking it as like a learning experience. You lived and you learned. It's something that you could fix, but you didn't know. When you bought this house, you would have to be doing some kind of remodeling so soon. You thought it was move-in ready, is what I'm getting. But it's some kind of, it's something you have to work on before. Something needs to be done with this home before you can move into it. It kind of caught you off guard. You still love the house though. The house is still beautiful. But it's something that caught you off guard about this house. What else? What else does Scorpio need to know? Does Scorpio need to know in regard to this blessing? We have the Five of Cups in reverse. So Yeah, this blessing, it's like, it's a blessing, but with some kind of way you lost something by gaining something. You still lost something in the process. Let's get this real estate. What Scorpio need to know in regard to this real estate? Clear messages for Scorpio. The Nine of Cups. See, this is your dream home. Like I said, you're still happy, but it's some kind of structural, it's something that you need to work on in this home. I'm getting home, like you bought a home and it's your dream home, but it's something that you need to work on in regards to this. Now, if this is a business and you're in real estate, you know, it's business doing good. You be wish fulfillment, you know, you might be as far as top sales, top realtor in your area, but the overload of customers, like it's something that's is good and bad at the same time is what I'm getting. So either you have some kind of, if you bought a home, you have some kind of I'm hearing structural damage, but I don't feel like it's that bad. It's something that needs to be fixed in the home, like roof repairs, or you know, something. It's not major like structural damage, but it's not a minor thing either. So it's kind of an overload that this was something that you wasn't expecting. But if you are a real estate, this is wish fulfillment and having so many clients wanting you to help them find a home that is hard to keep up. Like it's overwhelming. We have the Ace of Swords. So just know that, just, you know, it's starting, it's something new, and just take what you're learning and pay more attention, study, you know, study your craft more, study. If you're doing real estate, find a way to communicate what is needed and what you need to do, so it won't be so much on you at once. You know, be better at setting appointments or setting viewings, things of that nature. Taking, you know, take the time to have a schedule. Have a schedule in place of, so it won't be back to back. You can have some breathing room. Let's find out about this blind. What's going on with this blind card? Okay, we have the Knight of Pentacles and the Page of Wands. So, yeah, this is a learning process for you. Bringing forth financial stability, but like if you bought this house, it's a very good investment, you know, but at the same time it was a learning experience, something new, things that you didn't know that you should have checked on. Yeah, see this Five of Pentacles. I'm getting a strong, it's a strong feeling of you buying a house, Scorpio. And it was a learning experience. You may have lost some money by having to put in, but don't worry about it, because I'm hearing that what you put into it is still a strong investment. You just made the value go up. Small loss for a bigger gain. You know, a small loss for a bigger gain. So don't dwell on that too long. Like I said, it was something minor in regards to the house. I'm hearing an easy fix, but unexpected. I'm also hearing that you got a really good deal on the house. So, you know, you might have saved on your down payment, but you might have been going to use that money for like furniture, but you had to spend the money to fix what was going on in the house. So it's okay. Let's see what else you need to know, Scorpio. See, yeah, family, home, commitment. So yeah, don't worry. It's still a good foundation. It's still a good home. Something you could be proud of. Ace of Earth. So grounding yourself, becoming stable. I'm hearing something to call your own. I'm also getting that you could have Earth in your chart, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or you could be, your partner could have this in their chart. The Ace of Swords again, the Ace of Air, so Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius in your chart. But, you know, thinking things, learning to think things through, read the fine print. Just taught you to read all the fine print. Dot all your I's, cross all your T's. See, this had you in disharmony for a minute because it put you in the energy of lack, but don't worry about it. Everything is okay. Self-care, you know, energy. Just continue. It's all right. You didn't do, it's not as bad as it seems. It's not as bad as you think. Don't be down on yourself. See, harmony will be restored. Financial stability. You don't have to worry. What else do Scorpio need to know? Minor setback. It was just a minor setback. What else does Scorpio need to know? Like I said, it's a beautiful home. Key on a ring. Keys on ring. See? Take your home, a car. Okay, this key on the ring. This can also be like a commitment. Maybe you're committing to someone that may have been chasing you for a while, because I don't feel like, Well, maybe you are the runner. Now you're ready to settle down. Someone you're very attracted to. Okay, we have snake though, so be careful. Competition. This for anyone that is a real estate agent. I feel like there's competition. You're overloaded trying to keep up. I'm hearing quota. Somebody could be seducing you at work. With this golden mirror, somebody love bombing you, showing a lot of attention. Scorpio, you could be doing this to someone. Just something's telling me to tell you what goes around comes around. So Scorpio, if this is what you're doing, be very careful. What else does Scorpio need to know? Okay, we have growth. I want to expand my consciousness and awareness. My consciousness and my awareness. So, yeah, it's not your energy. You're growing. You're maturing. Trying to build. Happiness. I am aware that being happy means that I am on the right path. So, yeah. You're doing the things. You're in a state of growth. Of, you know, wanting and receiving stability. With this home card and just stability within your life. Nice job. I'm hearing happy family. But I'm also getting that someone at work is either trying to seduce you or in competition with you. So be careful. Be careful with that, Scorpio. Let's get one more and then we'll get your angel message. And then we'll end your reading. See, we have success. I know that there is no greater goal than to love. Love what you do. Love who you are. See, success is coming your ways. You are on the road to success, I hear. Okay, Scorpio. You're doing everything you need to do. Let's see what your angels need you to do. Want you to know. Scorpio, if this is resonating with you at all, please like and comment. Let me know how. Angel message for Scorpio. What do the angel? Okay. Notice the signs. Yes, the signs you've been receiving are heaven sent. We drop feathers, coins, and other signs upon your path to remind you that you're loved and never alone. So, continue what you're doing. Your angels are guiding and protecting you, sending you signs, protecting you on your journey. Excuse me. Pay attention to, if you find any feathers, coins, pay attention to things that you be like, oh, wait. And if you think it's a sign, it is a sign. And whatever you're going after or thinking about at that time, pay close attention to what it is, because your angels are sending you a message. Okay, Scorpio, that's your message. That's what you need to know. Again, if it resonates, please like and comment. Let me know how. If you haven't already and feel inclined to do so, excuse me, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you again for joining me. I truly do appreciate all of your support. Hope to see you all again soon. And until next time, Scorpio, be blessed.